Learn it.
Good day again. I'm going to discuss you something, and this is how to insert image. And then we have to type image source equals to double quote cict.png. That's the name of the image and the format that we want to insert, and then br to have a new line. Click file and then save. Then we're going to run it in Mozilla and then press F5. Then as you can see, that's the cict.png image. Go back again to Notepad, then we're going to type the second image src or source equals double quote banner1.png, and that's the second image. And then file, click save and run again to Mozilla, and then as you can see, that's the second image. That's the banner one. In this time, we're going to change the properties of the second image, and let's assume that the height equals to 50 and the width it is equals to 50 also. Then click file and then save. Back again to Mozilla and press F5. As you can see, the second image gets smaller. Back again to Notepad++, we're going to change the size or the width of the second image to 120, and we're going to link it to another page, and it is by using the A tags or the link tags, which is to A by declaring A and end tags of A. And for the start tag of A, we have to put href equals to double quote index.html. That's the destination page that we want the image, if we're going to click that, to go. Then press file and then save, and then as you can see, the properties of the second image changed. And then if you have to click it, file not found, because we don't have to do with the HTML, the index.html. And that's it, and hope you learned for this tutorial. Stay tuned for the other, and thanks.